Hello everyone, welcome to Iterators in Python coding exercise. In Python, an iterator is an object that can be iterated upon, which means that you can traverse through all the videos through the sequence such as lists, tuples, dictionaries and sets are all iterable objects. To create an object as an iterator, you have to implement the methods iter and next to your object, where iter returns the iterator object itself. This is used in for and in statements. The next function returns the next value in the sequence. In order to avoid the iteration to go on forever, you can raise the stop iteration exception. In this exercise, we are going to implement iterators using next method, iter method, and using class. To start with, we are going to create variables var is equals to, let's say, a string, an object of iterate type, while true, try. We are going to iterate by calling next. And then we are going to print var. In the excepts clause, we are going to raise the stop iteration exception and then break. So as you can see, we have successfully implemented an iterator using the next method. Next, we are going to implement an iterator using iter method. So for this, I'm going to create a list, let's say the days of the week. And then going to create an iterator object for my list tuple, and I'm going to print the next value using next function for the iterator that I have just now created. So you can see it is traversing my list successfully. Then I can also create an iterator inside a class. So for this, I'm going to create a class in two functions. The iterator function and the next function. I'm incrementing it by 10. Now I'm going to create a variable which is nothing but of an object of type iterator, and I'll call my function and I can call it for like 4 times maybe. So you can see the initial value was 3, and after creating the iterator it gets incremented by 10, so 13, 23, 33. So in this way we have created iterators in Python. Hope you have enjoyed this coding exercise. Thank you for watching this video.